We, the students of Bogaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad, of ECE third year, our team members are B. Krishna Chaitanya, P. Raviteja, KBMP Lakshman Chaudhary, and K. Pullarao. Our team ID is 415. We are doing a project based on the automated traffic priority system of emergency vehicles. Nowadays, population is ever increasing and traffic problem is quite common, which is caused for emergency vehicles interruption in metropolitan cities.
We have come up with a solution. Whenever an emergency vehicle got interrupted in the traffic jam, the emergency vehicle transmits its direction to the receiver which is present at the traffic junction. There will be a microcontroller which use green signal to the direction of the emergency vehicle such that the emergency vehicle can go freely. The transmit section of emergency vehicle consists of a magnetometer sensor which use log values that are interfaced to the microcontroller at mega 8, and correspondingly the values are calculated and the direction is transmitted through the Zigbee module which works at 2.4 GHz. And the emergency vehicle also consists of L293D motor driver IC in order to drive the vehicle.
The receiver section consists of MSP430 LC4618 microcontroller, Zigbee and traffic light system. The direction which is received from Zigbee is given to MSP430 and direction analyzer and traffic lights are adjusted according to the receiver signal. Whenever the vehicle crosses the junction, a general traffic system will be functioning automatically without manual operation, that is given as green signal. The timer circuit consists of 74LS192 counter IC which is used to count the numbers. The output of the counter is given to decoder to decode the received signal. Here we are using Texas Instruments IC of 74LS47 decoder. The output of decoder is driven from 7-segment display.
Now let us see how the general traffic light system works. Now let us consider one direction in a particular junction. Here the red signal will be kept on for 90 seconds and then orange signal will be kept on for 3 seconds and then a green signal will be on for 30 seconds. And the same sequence of the signals will be operated simultaneously in all the corresponding direction in this particular junction. Now let us see what are the different power supplies that are included in our proposed solution. In the proposed solution, in the transmitter section, we are using an Atmega 8 microcontroller which is used with respect to magnetometer as a sensor which is gives the direction. In the transmitter section, we are using an Atmega 8 microcontroller and an L293 motor driver IC. The inputs for these microcontrollers are given with respect to an 9-volt battery. Whenever the receiver section is concerned, this receiver section works with 3.4 volt which is given with respect to AAA batteries. And whenever the timer circuit is concerned, it works at 6 volts. This 6 volt is given with respect to solar panel. This solar circuit consists of an LM317 IC which acts as a regulator which takes an input of 20 volts and output of 6 volts is collected. And this 6 volts is collected from the solar circuit and it is stored in it, and the output of this is given to the input of the timer circuit and the timer circuit runs with that power supply. Let us see how does the proposed solution works. Here is an emergency vehicle which is got interrupted in a traffic jam. The given signal is red in color. So whenever an emergency button is pressed, an orange signal is given in all directions and the green signal is given in the direction of the vehicle. So whenever it crosses the junction, the normal traffic signal is going to be executed. Let the direction of the emergency vehicle be changed. In the same case which is explained above, now whenever the emergency button is on, the signal is going to be changed. And whenever it crosses the junction, whenever direction is changed, the corresponding traffic light signals are going to be executed.
The proposed solution for automated traffic light priority system can be further improved by using GPS module along with this proposed system. We have improved the efficiency of the power consumption by using solar circuit for the traffic lights and ambulance.